Hi, everybody. It's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing phrasal verbs every week. I'm putting out a video. I hope it's helping with your English learning. This week, the phrasal verb was suggested by you. Thank you for your requests. But this week, I didn't know what this meant. I saw this. I said, what does that mean? Way up. I really didn't know. And I was intrigued. I was curious. I love learning. So someone asked me to explain way up. And I looked it up on Google and I said, oh, in America, we say this phrasal verb in a different way. In America, we say size up. Size up is how we say it in American English. Now, there's a lot of English in the world. Many countries speak English, of course, and I don't know if this originated in British English or a different country, but way up and size up are the same meaning. So I will talk about them today. It's exciting. When I teach phrasal verbs, I like to explain to you if you can separate the phrase or not. And both of these you can. We can weigh something up and we size something or someone up. So we can separate the phrasal verb, which is nice. When we are sizing someone up, we are assessing them. We're thinking an opinion, a judgment. We're estimating what they might be like. We're trying to figure out their abilities, maybe their strengths or their personality. So, to form an opinion, an estimate, a judgment about someone just at the first observation. We just met this person or we just arrived in this city and I'm trying to size it up. I'm trying to form an opinion about something that's new. Okay? To form an opinion estimate about a person or place. Person or thing. It can be a new building, a new house, a new car. When we size up or weigh up something, we're using our observation skills, usually our eyes, in looking and forming an opinion and a judgment. Now, I will say this phrasal verb is often used with competitive situations. It's more often used with competitive competition. Can you think of any competitive situations that humans are involved with? The first one I think of is sports. So you will hear this phrasal verb with the athletes sized up the other team before the match. The chess player sized up her opponent before the final game. We're looking at whoever we're up against, competing against, and we're forming a judgment. We're trying to figure out what their strengths are. Are they strong? Are they smart? Are they capable? Now, I teach business English, so another example of where we will use the phrasal verb size up is at the office, especially at job interviews, right? When you are going to a job interview, you are the applicant, you're a candidate, you're trying to get a job. You will size up the company. What's it like when you walk in? Are the people nice? Is the building clean? you will have your meeting, your interview, and you will be sizing up the person that's asking you questions. And of course, they are sizing you up, right? Or weighing up their options, all of the different applicants. Who do they want to hire? So, size up and weigh up. I'm so glad you asked for this phrasal verb. It was a really good one. The only other meaning for size up that I want to mention is when you're shopping for clothes or shoes. Sometimes things run small and it's recommended that you size up. So I was recently ordering some new running shoes and I did go up a half a size because I wanted to make sure they weren't too tight. So I sized up. You might get recommended for that in a shop, or if you're looking online for clothing or shoes. They might say, we recommend that you size up. So that's what that context means. But usually when we're sizing up people or situations or places, someone might ask you, did you meet the new manager? Have you sized her up? No, I haven't met her yet, right? I'll weigh up later on. It's hard for me to say weigh up because it's not natural. I'll size her up later when I meet her. Weigh her up later. Yeah, I'm really glad you asked. It's fun when I find an expression or a word in English that's unfamiliar to me. I love learning too. So thank you for being here. I hope these videos are helpful. It would be so awesome if you would subscribe and like and share with your other English learner friends and colleagues. That'll be great. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.